Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to set up a new YouTube channel if you already have another one. So you actually one account can manage several YouTube channel. I don't know how many maximum YouTube allow us to manage a YouTube channel, but here if you want to set up, first of all, the button is not in your YouTube studio, but you have to go to your YouTube front end. You just click on YouTube here. Wait a minute, and then you scroll down until you can find these settings. You just click on these settings, and then here you can see there is an option of add or manage your channels. So I just click here, and then it will be shown all my YouTube channel that I own. Here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. I have 13 of YouTube channel, and then if you want to set up a new one, you just click this create a channel, and then you can add the channel name, and then you just follow the steps that YouTube given you. And then also you can set up the handler. Handler is really important. Handler is a unique name using @ on the very beginning of your YouTube channel name. So that's it, very simple tutorial. And then I think the thing is, it's not set up a new YouTube channel, but how to flourish on YouTube, how to grow your channel. But on this video I'm just showing you how to set up a new YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.